look, they never thought that we'd do it. I'll admit I had my doubts. They tell you follow your heart, then turn around and they run their mouth. But look, I always tune them out. Now look at me, now look at me. I probably won't make history, but I'll make a damn good life for me. Shit, I did this without a label or a manager or agent. Now every show is amazing and every week's a vacation. They told me I wouldn't make it, they wasted their time with hating. They said I'm an average Joe, but just look at the girl that I'm dating. Look, I almost died a week ago and I really needed that wake-up call. Should've had my seatbelt on because I almost lost it all. But if you never get a chance to fall, then how you supposed to get up? To get a breath of fresh air, there's gonna be some hiccups. So live like you mean it and love till you feel it. When life hands you a lemon, we'll sit back and feel it. Cause I heard everything from your music makes my ears deaf. You a badass like you, Jack, you a playboy like you have. I knew then what I know now. Would've kept my head up back when it was falling down. Cause I remember days when ain't nobody was there. And I wouldn't be a man if I told you I wasn't scared. Gotta keep it moving, ain't no plans on turning back. Cause life is way too short to keep on dwelling on the past. And I know I'd be a fool if I said it's gon' last. Because everything gon' change, you can never change that. And I hope this never turns into a nightmare, never bites me in my ass. Cause I've done some fucked up shit and I hope it all stays in my past. I'm just praying it's gon' last, cause I'm too sad now to fail. They'd rather see me burn all up in flames and never see a kid like me prevail. But feel like I've been through hell and back for where I'm at, and I'm fine with that. Never thought 2 years ago anybody would ever know about Huey Mac, but now they do, and I feel like it's all surreal. Sold out shows across the country and parties in Beverly Hills. Man, it ain't the hand that you're giving, it's just how you play your cards. Fuck being famous, I wasn't supposed to be a star. This all happened by accident, this all happened by chance. But any way that you put it, I'm doing what they said I can't. Then what I know now, would've kept my head up back.